Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be doing this eye look for hooded eyes, and for once I am staying away from my normal warm shades. I'm not using browns, I'm not using golds, I'm not using oranges. I went with pinks and plums and purples today. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you take a moment to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this eye look, just keep watching. Alright guys, in today's video, I am going to do a look for hooded eyes, and I'm going to try and keep it on the pink and purplish side. For once, I'm not doing the browns, I'm not going to do the golds, I'm not going to do the oranges. We're going pink and purple today. And to do that, I'm not even using one palette. So I brought out quite a few that I might be working out of today. Doesn't mean that you need to go buy all these palettes to get the look, but it's just something I want to play around with. So the first one's going to be the Carly Bible. This is the deluxe edition by BH Cosmetics. And then I have the Dominique Latte palette. I have the Venus XL. I also have my Koki Artist Peachy Queen palette. This one is the Burkett Shadow Hit 10. And last but not least, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I think somewhere in this I'm going to be able to get the colors that I'm looking for. Alright, I want to lay down a color all over my lid. So I'm going to start off with the Dominique palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Vanilla Cream. And I'm going to go all over my lids with that. I just want to lay a nice base down for everything else that I'm going to be using. Just notice this has kind of a yellow look to it. Now I'm going to go into the Burkett palette, and I'm going to pick up this pink shade right here, and I'm going to take that as my transition shade. By the way, this brush isn't dirty. It actually is pink or peach colored at the end. So I want you guys to think I'm using dirty brushes, and I always use my little sponge thing anyway to clean off my brushes in between colors. I don't know if this is quite the right pink I was going for. I need to go up a little bit darker. I'm going to move into the Venus XL palette, and I'm going to take this color here called Goddess. I'm going to use that instead because I really wanted to have more pink show. That just wasn't doing it, and this is definitely giving me that pop of pink. I think I'm going to take this color Eden right here, and I'm going to go into my crease with that. And again, since I have a hooded eye, I like to keep my eye open and bring that slightly above where my crease is. I am making a new faux crease. I really want to blend that in. Now that I have my lines drawn, it's okay to go ahead and close the eye. So you can hopefully see the difference between this eye looking a lot more open compared to this side, simply because I have brought your attention up a little higher with that new faux crease. If you haven't watched it before, I do have a video that is a step-by-step on how to do makeup for hooded eyes. I'll leave a card for you right up here, so go watch that one. Gotten a lot of positive feedback from people who felt that was very helpful for them. Okay, now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to go across the edges real quick because I really want to buff that out really good. Going to clean that brush off real quick, and now I'm going to go into this color here called Triumph, which is a deeper pink, and I'm going to take that a little bit further into the crease, not bring it up so much. Staying off my lid and into the crease, because I want to create a dimension. So darker colors recede, lighter colors come forward. So what I am doing is basically deepening that crease that I don't have as much as I'd love to have, and faking your eye out to think I have a better crease than that. That's such a pretty color. All right, next I want to go in and highlight my brow bone. So I'm going to use this color here called Blank Canvas. I don't want to do a shimmer up there. I just want to highlight it a little bit. Especially because that first color I used was had a yellow undertone to it. And this is a pure white. All right, now I'm going to move on to the lid. I'm going to move into the Carly Bible palette. And I am going to pick up this pink shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to go all over the outer part of my lid with this. Got a lot of pigmentation to it. If you don't have this palette, you really should get it. It's so inexpensive and it's so good. It's got blushes, it's got highlights, it's got eyeshadows. It's just tremendous. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I am going to pick up this purple shade. Don't have a mirror inside this one, so let me grab a mirror. And I'm going to tap that onto my lid. Okay, that is not coming out as shimmery as I would love, so I'm going to wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and let's see what we get now. There we go. Looks like it's darkening my eyes up, isn't it? Well, we're going to fix that. We are going to fix it. Okay. Let that dry just a little bit. And take another clean, fluffy brush. I'm just going to kind of buff between the purple and the pink. All right, now I'm going to go back over that pink again just a little bit. I don't want to blend those two together. Now I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I am going to take this very light, almost like a champagne pinkish color. And I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to go over the top of the purple. It's kind of a dark color compared to what I wanted. I wanted to go lighter. What do you think? I'm going to go back into Eden again, and I just kind of messed up my crease a little bit. Since my eyes looked like I have grapes on them and not quite the purplish shade I was going with, I'm going to try a little bit of this color Inspire over the purple as well. Okay, and then Carly has this beautiful highlight color, which has a purple tone to it. So it's this one right here. I'm going to go over the top of that a little bit as well. Really help lighten that up. I don't feel like I'm wearing grape Kool-Aid on my eyes now. Nothing against grape Kool-Aid, I just don't want it on my eyes. Let's do something underneath the eyes. I'm going to go in with the smudge brush. There's a kind of a plum shade in here. Right there. I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just go along my lower lash line. Then with my Sigma angled brush, I'm going to take that same highlighter color and bring that on the inside. And the Dominique palette, beautiful deep purple shade here. I'm going to take that on the same brush. I'm going to go really close to my lash line. All right, now that I have a pinkish, purplish, all kinds of color purple on my lid, let me apply some mascara and I will be back. All right, guys, I am back, and here is the finished look with all the eyeshadows that I put on. I went ahead and added some mascara, some lipstick, and some lip gloss, and this is the final look. So for once, I went with color. I did not go with my warm shades, and I don't know. You guys tell me, do you like it or not? I think it looks very heavy. I don't think it looks... It doesn't make my blue eyes pop, that's for sure. So maybe these just aren't my shade. But hey, it's fun to play around with makeup, play around with colors, and see what you like and what you don't like. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification, and make sure that you select all notifications so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and every once in a while I throw in a Weird Wish Wednesday. So until next time, oh, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave those down below. And until next time, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.